Hello students and good morning. So now I am doing class for class 10. The topic is partnership business. So in the last online class also we did some problems on compound partnership business, and in that online class I told you about what is the meaning of simple partnership business and compound partnership business. So I think you have understood the meaning of both simple partnership business and compound partnership business. So today we shall do more problems on this compound partnership business, right? So same exercise 14, page number 203, from the same book, that is Ganit Prakash for class 10 by West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. So in the last online class we did 11. That problem was based on compound partnership business. So let's do question number 10 now. So question number 10 is, Niyamat Chacha and Karavi Didi have started a partnership business together by investing rupees 30,000 and rupees 50,000 respectively. तो यहाँ दुईजना मानिसहरु छन्, एकजना नियमत चाचा अनि अर्को छन् करबी दिदी. They have started a business by investing rupees 30,000 and rupees 50,000 respectively. त यो क्वेशनमा के भनिँदैछ, दुईजना मान्छेले कुनै एउटा पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस खोल्दैछ. त यो पार्टनरशिप बिजनेसको लागि दुईजनाले पैसा इन्भेस्ट गर्नुपर्छ, त्यसलाई हामी क्यापिटल्स भनेर भन्छौं. त नियमत चाचा इज इन्भेस्टिङ रुपीस 30,000 and Karavi Didi is investing rupees 50,000. Okay, to start a business, Niyamat Chacha has invested rupees 30,000 and Karavi Didi has invested rupees 50,000. Clear? So the question says that after 6 months, Niyamat Chacha has invested rupees 40,000 more. After 6 months, Niyamat Chacha has invested rupees 40,000 more, but Karavi Didi has withdrawn rupees 10,000 for some personal need. तो यहाँ क्वेशनमा के भनिँदैछ भन्दाखेरि आफ्टर 6 months, आफ्टर 6 months भनेपछि जनवरी, फेब्रुअरी, मार्च, अप्रिल, मे, जुन को पछाडी, बुझ्यो? यो जुन चाहिँ पैसा इन्भेस्ट गर्दैछ 30,000 र 50,000, यो चाहिँ बुझ्नु पर्यो हामीले. यो चाहिँ बिगिनिङ अफ द इयर, जनवरी को फर्स्ट मा चाहिँ यी दुईजना मानिसहरूले यी पैसाहरू इन्भेस्ट गर्छन्. ठीक छ? So after 6 months भनेपछि जनवरी, फेब्रुअरी, मार्च, अप्रिल, मे, जुन पछाडी, that is जुलाईको फर्स्ट मा चाहिँ के गर्दैछ, नियमत चाचा हैज इन्भेस्टेड रुपीस 40,000 मोर. उसको यो 30,000 त छदैछ, 30,000 मा अझै उले 40,000 ज्यादा तिर्दैछ. बट करबी दिदी हैज विथड्रन रुपीस 10,000 फर हर पर्सनल नीड. त करबी दिदीलाई रुपीस 10,000 चाहिएछ, त रुपीस 10,000 चाहिँ निकाल्यो. त यो रुपीस 50,000 is kept fixed for 6 months, and after 6 months करबी दिदी has withdrawn rupees 10,000 for her personal need. Okay, so if the profit at the end of the year is rupees 19,000, at the end of the year, December को अन्ततिर profit कति भएछ, rupees 19,000. So let us write by calculating the profit share of each. त प्रत्येकले प्रॉफिट कति पाउँछ त्यो चाहिँ तिमीले निकाल्नु पर्छ. त यहाँ चाहिँ के भनेछ भन्दा यो सेन्टेन्समा आफ्टर 6 months नियमत चाचा हैज इन्भेस्टेड रुपीस 40,000 मोर. त पहिलो 6 months जनवरी, फेब्रुअरी, मार्च, अप्रिल, मे, जुनमा चाहिँ यो रुपीस 30,000 चाहिँ फिक्स बस्यो. रुपीस 30,000 is kept fixed for 6 months, and after 6 months Niyamat Chacha has invested rupees 40,000 more. त यसमा 30,000 छदैछ, 30,000 मा कति जोड्यो, 40,000, that is 70,000. अब 70,000 चाहिँ कति महिनाको लागि फिक्स बस्यो, डिसेम्बर को अन्तमा चाहिँ उनीले प्रॉफिट बनाउँदैछ रुपीस 19,000. डिसेम्बर को अन्त भनेपछि जुलाई, अगस्त, सेप्टेम्बर, अक्टोबर, नोभेम्बर, डिसेम्बर, that is 30,000 plus 40,000 is your 70,000. This 70,000 is kept fixed for how many months again? 6 months. That is July, August, September, October, November, December. That is at the end of the year. That is for 6 months. That is rupees 70,000 is kept fixed for another 6 months. Is that clear? But after 6 months, Karbi Didi has withdrawn rupees 10,000 for her personal need. The Karbi Didi le ke garyo 10,000 चाहिँ निकाले after 6 months. फेरि यहाँ के भयो, Karbi Didi has invested rupees 50,000 in the partnership business. This rupees 50,000 is kept fixed for 6 months, and after 6 months Karbi Didi has withdrawn rupees 10,000 for her personal need. The 50,000 मा यो 10,000 घटाउँदा कति भयो 40,000 किनभने 10,000 त निकाले नि त 10,000 निकालेपछि कति रह्यो पार्टनरशिप बिजनेसमा 40,000. That 40,000 is kept fixed for another 6 months. That is for July, August, September, October, November, December. That is at the end of the year. That is rupees 50,000 minus 10,000 is your 40,000. That 40,000 is kept fixed for how many months? That is for 6 months. Is that clear? Now, if the profit at the end of the year is rupees 19,000, at the end of the year, what's the profit? Rupees 19,000. So you have to find out the profit share of each. That is, Niyamat Chacha ko profit kati huncha, ani Karbi Didi ko profit kati huncha, yo chai nikalnu parcha. So I think you have understood the question. Okay. Now let's do the problem now. So now you have to find out the capital of Niyamat Chacha. So this problem is based on compound partnership business, because in this case the money is invested for different time period. Is that clear? So now let us find out capital of Niyamat Chacha. So capital of Niyamat Chacha is equal to, so how can you find out capital of Niyamat Chacha? Rupees. So within bracket, now Niyamat Chacha has invested rupees 30,000. So 30,000. So 30,000 is kept fixed for how many months? 6 months. Because after 6 months, he is investing rupees 40,000 more. So 30,000 is kept fixed for how many months? 6 months. Plus. Now next, अब के हुन्छ, यो 30,000 मा यो 40,000 add गरिन्छ. किनभने after 6 months, Niyamat Chacha has invested rupees 40,000 more. त यो 30,000 मा 40,000 add गर्दा कति भयो? 70,000. So now 70,000 is kept fixed for another 6 months. That is, I told you, July, August, September, October, November, December. That is at the end of the year. It is 6 months from July to December. So into 6. So this is capital of Niyamat Chacha. So let us simplify it. So rupees, how much is it now? 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 4 zeros, 6 threes are 18 plus. Okay, 7 6 are 42, and how many zeros? 4 zeros. You know how to multiply them. So which is equal to now rupees? You can add them. 0 plus 0 0. 4 zeros are there. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 2 plus 4 is 6. That is your 6 lakhs. 6 and how many zeros are there? 5 zeros. So this is capital of Niyamat Chacha. Next, let us calculate capital of Karbi Didi. Capital of Karbi Didi. Now how can you calculate capital of Karbi Didi now? Now Karbi Didi has invested rupees 50,000. Okay, so 50,000, and after 6 months, she has withdrawn rupees 10,000 for personal needs. That is, rupees 50,000 is kept for how many months? 6 months. Plus, now after 6 months, Karbi Didi has withdrawn rupees 10,000 for her personal need. Now, अब यो 50,000 त सधैँ पहिला त्यसबाट 10,000 उले निकाल्यो. त 50,000 minus 10,000 कति भयो? 40,000. Now 40,000 is kept fixed for next 6 months, because this 40,000 is kept fixed for July, August, September, October, November, December. That means how many months? 6 months. Okay, 6 months. Is that clear now? So let us simplify it. Rupees 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30. Okay, plus 6 4s are 24. Then how many zeros? 1 2 3 4. Now you know how to multiply them, right? So which is equal to rupees, now add them, 4 zeros plus 4 zeros. This is your 4 zeros. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 2 is your 5. That is 5,40,000. This is capital of Karabi Didi. Is that clear to all of you? Now if the profit at the end of the year is rupees 19,000, you have to calculate the profit share of each. So how is this profit divided? This profit 19,000 is divided in the ratio of their capitals. I already told you, isn't it? Now you have to find out the ratio of their capitals, right? So let us find out ratio of their capitals. So therefore, ratio of capitals is equal to Niyamat Chacha is to Karabi Didi, right? So which is equal to Niyamat Chacha ko capital kati thiyo? Rupees 6 lakhs. Rupees 6 and how many zeros? That is your 5 zeros is 2 rupees. Karabi Didi's capital is 5,40,000. It is 5,40,000. So is that clear to all of you? Now you can get the ratio in the lowest form. So you can cancel the similar terms out here. So you can cancel it by, so here rupees gets cancels, and these 4 zeros gets cancels because they are common. So which is equal to 60 is to 54. 60 is to 54. Again you can cancel it. Again you can write it in terms of lowest form, isn't it? So which is equal to 6 tens are 60, 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60, 6 nines are 54, which is equal to 10 is to 9. Is that clear to all of you? Now what was the total profit? The total profit was rupees 19,000. Okay, so now therefore rupees 19,000 is divided in the ratio 10 is to 9. Now how can you divide this 19,000? This 19,000 is divided in the ratio of their capitals. Okay, now we have to find out the sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio. What is the sum of the ratio here? 10 plus 9, which is equal to 19, right? So now what will be the profit share of Niyamat Chacha? Therefore you can calculate profit share of Niyamat Chacha. Profit share of Niyamat Chacha is equal to, now how can you find it? For Niyamat Chacha, his equivalent number is 10. Niyamat Chacha's equivalent number here is 10. So 10 divided by, what is the sum of the ratio? It is 19 into rupees. What was the total profit in this case? Rupees 19,000. Is that clear? So we can cancel it. It goes 1,000 times, which is equal to rupees. It is 10,000. That is profit share of Niyamat Chacha. Okay. Now what will be the profit share of Karabi Didi? Profit share of Karabi Didi is equal to कति अपन कति हुन्छ अब यहाँ Karabi Didi को equivalent number कति आएको छ 9 divided by 19 into rupees. This is 19,000. So you can cancel it. So it is 1,000, which is equal to rupees 9,000. Okay. So what is the profit share of Niyamat Chacha? It is 10,000. This is one of the answers. And what will be the profit share of Karabi Didi? It is rupees 9,000. So this is another answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question now. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 10. this is not question number 10, this is question number 11, right? So this is your question number 11. Just now we did question number 10. Now we are doing question number 11. Now the question says that Srikanth and Soifuddin invested rupees 2,40,000 and rupees 3 lakhs respectively at the beginning of the year to purchase a minibus to run it on a route. Now the question says that Srikanth and Soifuddin has invested rupees 2,40,000 and rupees 3 lakh respectively at the beginning of the year to purchase a minibus to run it on a route. The पहिला Srikanth र Soifuddinले at the beginning of the year कति पैसा इन्भेस्ट गर्दैछ? Srikanthले rupees 2,40,000 अनि Soifuddinले rupees 3 lakh इन्भेस्ट गर्दैछ. अनि उनीहरुले त्यो पैसा मिलाएर एउटा बस किन्यो to run it on a route. बुझ्दैछ? So now यहाँ के भन्दैछ क्वेशनले फेरि after 4 months 4 महिना पछाडी their friend Peter joined them with a capital of rupees 81,000. त 4 महिना पछाडी उनीहरुको साथी पीटरले पनि त्यसमा जोइन गर्यो. त जोइन गरेर पीटरले कति दिदैछ? इन्भेस्ट गर्दैछ रुपीस 81,000. Is that clear? तर but Srikanth and Soifuddin have withdrawn that money in the ratio of their capitals. अब यहाँ के भन्दैछ? Srikanth र Soifuddinले चाहिँ यो 81,000 withdraw गर्दैछ in the ratio of their capitals. जम्मा टोटल चाहिँ Srikanth र Soifuddinले चाहिँ जम्मा टोटल 81,000 withdraw गर्दैछ, निकाल्दैछ after 4 months in the ratio of their capitals. Is that clear to all of you? So let us write by calculating the share of each of them if they make a profit of rupees 39,150 at the end of the year. यदि at the end of the year total profit चाहिँ कति भएछ? 39,150 भएछ. भनेपछि प्रत्येकको प्रॉफिट शेयर कति हुन्छ त्यो चाहिँ निकाल्नु पर्छ. त पहिला हामी यहाँ के निकाल्नु भन्दाखेरि सबभन्दा पहिला हामी के निकाल्छौं भन्दाखेरि रेशियो अफ क्यापिटल्स फर Srikanth and Soifuddin निकालिहाल्नु. किनभने यहाँ क्वेशनमा भन्दैछ आफ्टर 4 months Srikanth and Soifuddin have withdrawn total amount of rupees 81,000 in the ratio of their capital भनेर भन्दैछ. बुझ्दैछ? त हामी सबभन्दा पहिला के निकाल्छौं? रेशियो अफ क्यापिटल्स फर Srikanth and Soifuddin हामी यो निकालिहाल्छौं पहिला. त ratio of capitals is equal to पहिला के को निकाल्छौं हामी? Srikanth is to Soifuddin. किनभने हामीले यो किन निकालेको रेशियो अफ क्यापिटल्स Srikanth is to Soifuddin मात्रै अहिले भन्दाखेरि किनभने यहाँ भन्दैछ आफ्टर 4 months a total of rupees 80,000 has been withdrawn by both Srikanth and Soifuddin. Because after 4 months Srikanth and Soifuddin has withdrawn a total amount of rupees 81,000 in the ratio of their capitals. जम्मा टोटल 81,000 निकालिँदैछ. तर Srikanthले कति निकाल्यो, Soifuddinले कति निकाल्यो, यहाँ रेशियो मात्रै दिएको छ. Ratio केमा भन्दैछ? In the ratio of their capitals. That's why you have to calculate ratio of capitals first between Srikanth and Soifuddin. So which is equal to Srikanth को कति छ रुपीस 2,40,000. 2,40,000 is to rupees Soifuddin कति छ 3 lakhs. 3 and how many zeros? There are 5 zeros. Is that clear? Okay. So here 4 zeros, 40 gets cancels, rupees gets cancels, which is equal to 24 is to 30. So is equal to, अब यसलाई 4 ले जान्छ, 4 6 are 24, not 4 sorry, 6 ले जान्छ हैन, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, which is equal to 4 is to 5. Now a total of rupees 81,000 is to be withdrawn. So rupees 81,000 is withdrawn, right? Rupees 81,000 is withdrawn in the ratio 4 is to 5. in the ratio 4:5, right? Now write down sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio is equal to, this is your 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So how much money did Srikanth withdraw? How much money did Srikanth withdraw? Okay, so therefore Srikanth withdrew. Withdrew is the past tense of withdraw, right? So Srikanth withdrew भनेको श्रीकान्तले कति निकाल्यो? So which is equal to कसरी निकाल्छ? Srikanth withdrew is equal to Srikanth को यहाँ इक्विभ्यालेन्ट नम्बर कति आएको छ? 4 divided by sum of the ratio, that is your 9 into what? Total money is 81,000, right? So 9 ones are 9, 9 nines are 81, and 3 zeros are there, which is equal to rupees 9 fours are 36,000. So next, Soifuddin withdrew. Soifuddin withdrew is equal to, yes, Soifuddin को equivalent number कति आयो? 5. 5 divided by 9, that is the sum of the ratio, into rupees 81,000, right? So it goes 9,000. So which is, if you multiply them, you'll get 45,000. Is that clear to all of you? So what is meant by it? After 4 months, Srikanth withdrew rupees 36,000, and after 4 months, Soifuddin withdrew rupees 45,000. Is that clear to all of you? So I think it is understood. Okay. Now, after 4 months, their friend Peter joined them with a capital of rupees 81,000. Now we have to understand the question now. Okay. The use Srikanth र Soifuddinले at the beginning of the year कति invest गर्दैछ? Rupees 2,40,000 and rupees 3 lakhs. Okay. Tara, after 4 months, Srikanth has withdrawn rupees 36,000, and after 4 months, Soifuddin has withdrawn rupees 45,000, and after 4 months, Peter joined them with a capital of rupees 81,000. Now you have to understand, or you have to calculate the capital of Srikanth for the whole year, capital for Soifuddin whole year, and capital for Peter whole year. Okay. Now let us find it now. So now, capital of Srikanth first. Capital of Srikanth. So how can you calculate capital of Srikanth? Srikanth ले पहिला beginning of the year मा कति invest गर्दैछ? Rupees 2,40,000, and after 4 months, Srikanth has withdrawn rupees 36,000. We have calculated it. Okay. So for 4 months, this 2,40,000 is kept fixed for Srikanth. Okay. So rupees 2,40,000 into 4 is kept fixed. That is 2,40,000 is kept fixed for 4 months. Plus, okay. Now Srikanth has withdrawn rupees 2,40,000 minus how much? Srikanth has withdrawn rupees 36,000. And what is the remainder? You have to find out the remainder, and that remainder is kept fixed for how many months? So after 4 months means January, February, March, April. This 2,40,000 is kept fixed. So after that, Srikanth has withdrawn rupees 36,000. So it is 2,40,000 minus 36,000. Now this remainder is kept fixed for another 8 months, isn't it? That is 12 minus 8, because at the beginning of the year means at the in the month of December. So up to December month, from April to December, this remainder is kept fixed for how many months? April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. After 4 months. After 4 months means after April, May, from May, not from April. After 4 months means January, February, March, April. That is your 4 months. After 4 months means in the beginning of May, Srikanth has withdrawn rupees 36,000. Okay, that is May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That is for 8 months. This remainder is kept fixed for 8 months. Into, you have to write 8. Is that clear? So let us simplify it now. Which is equal to rupees 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are there, 4 fours are 16, 6, 1, 4 to 8 plus 1 is 9. Plus. So let us find out the remainder here. 3 zeros, right? 3 zeros. 10 minus 6 is 4. Here it is 3. Isn't it? 6 4 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Yeah, 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Then 2. Is that clear now? Yes. Into 8. So which is equal to rupees 9, 6 and how many zeros? This is your 4 zeros plus 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0. 8 fours are 32. Right? 8 twos are 16. So which is equal to now, how much is it now? Which is equal to rupees, now you can add them, 3 zeros, then 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 0 is 2, 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 5, 1, so which is equal to rupees 2, 2592 000, right? 3 zeros, 3 zeros. Now 2 plus 0 is 2, 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 5, 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. That is your rupees 2592 and 000. This is capital of Srikanth. Now let us find out capital of Soifuddin. Capital of Soifuddin. Capital of Soifuddin is equal to rupees. At the beginning of the year, he has invested rupees 3 lakhs, right? 3 lakhs. 3 and how many zeros? 5 zeros. Now after 4 months, again, Soifuddin has withdrawn rupees 45,000. This 3 lakhs remains fixed for 4 months. Plus, so after 4 months, he has withdrawn rupees 45,000. So 3 lakhs. This is your 3 lakhs minus 45,000 minus 45,000 into. So this remainder is fixed for how many months? Now after 4 months, Soifuddin has withdrawn rupees 45,000. Okay. So for 4 months, this 3 lakhs is remain fixed. So this is 3 lakhs into 4. So after 4 months, he has withdrawn rupees 45,000. So it is 3 lakhs minus 45,000. Now this remainder is kept fixed for how many months? After 4 months means at the beginning of the May. At the beginning of the May, the remainder is this one. Okay. This money is kept fixed for how many months? May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So up to December, it is 8 months, right? So into what we will write here, 8. Now let us simplify it now. Is equal to rupees 4 3s are 12 and how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 plus. Lo aba yo subtract garum. 3 lakhs 3 and how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 and 45,000. You have to subtract it. 0 0 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5 and this is your 2. Right? So it is 2,55,000. 2,55,000 into 8, right, is equal to rupees. This is your 1 2 and how many zeros? There are 5 zeros. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 plus. Now multiply them. Now multiply it. 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 5s are 40, 0, 4, 8 5s are 40 plus 4 is 44, then comes 4, 8 2s are 16 plus 4 is 20, 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, right? 8 5s are 40, 0, 4, 8 5s are 40 plus 4 is 44, 4, 8 2s are 16 plus 4 is 20. Is that clear now? So now let us simplify it again. Which is equal to rupees. Now we can add them. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Then 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Right? 3 zeros. 4 zeros. 4 zeros. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. That is your rupees 3, 2, 4 and 4 zeros. This is capital of Saifuddin. Now what will be the profit of third person, that is Peter? Peter, let's say after 4 months matai join garदैछ. After 4 months भनेपछि January, February, March, April पछाडि, that is May को first मा मात्रै join गर्यो by investing rupees 81,000. This now at the end of the year, that is in the month of December, this 81,000 is fixed for how many months? 8 months, right? 12 minus 4 is 8. So capital of Peter is equal to, now write down. So you have to find out capital of Peter. Therefore, capital of Peter is equal to rupees. Now 81,000 is kept fixed for only 81,000 is kept fixed for only 8 months. So is equal to rupees. Write down 3 zeros. 8 ones are 8. 8 eights are what? It is your 64. So I think you have understood it now. Now you have to find out the ratio of 3 capitals, right? So therefore ratio of capitals is equal to, अब यो तीनटाई को हामीले के निकाल्नु छ ratio. That is capital of Srikant is to capital of Saifuddin is to capital of Peter. That is now the total profit is divided according to the ratio of these 3 capitals, right? So ratio of capitals is equal to, now write down Srikant. Write down Srikant is to Saifuddin is to, you have to write down here. So ratio of capitals is equal to Srikant is to Saifuddin. Saifuddin is to Peter. This is the third person. So is equal to rupees. Srikant ko kati is 2592. 2592 and how many zeros? 3 zeros is to Saifuddin. 324. 324 and how many zeros? 4 zeros. 4 zeros is to Peter. Rupees 648 and how many zeros? 3 zeros. So you have to find out the ratio here. So here rupees gets cancels. These 3 zeros gets cancels, which is equal to 2592 is to 3240 is to, this is your 648. So I think you have understood it. Now what will you do now? Now let us cancel it. So you can write it in the lowest form, okay? पहिला हामी 8 ले cancel गर्छौं. यसलाई 8 ले जान्छ ल. 8 ले 8 3s are 24, right? 19. 8 2s are 16. 32. 8 4s are 32, right? 8 ले ला कति times? 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. 4 ले जाँदैन 0. 8 5s are 40. फेरि यसलाई 8 ले 8 8s are 64. 8 1s are 8. So अब कतिले जान्छ? 9 ले जान्छ. Let us cancel it by 9. 9 3s are 27. What is 32 minus 27? 5. 54. 9 6s are 54. 9 ले जान्छ फेरि यसलाई. So 9 4s are 36. 45. 9 5s are 45. फेरि 9 ले जान्छ. 9 9s are 81. Is that clear? फेरि 9 ले cancel हुन्छ. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. This is 9 1s are 9. So this is the lowest form. So what is the new ratio now? So which is equal to, this is your 4:5:1. Okay. Now what was the total profit at the end of the year? At the end of the year, total profit is equal to, total profit at the end of the year, total profit at the end of the year is equal to rupees. 39,150. Is that clear? It is rupees 39,150. Now, this rupees 39,150 is divided in the ratio 4:5:1. So now rupees 39,150 is divided in the ratio, or in the capital ratio, 4:5:1. Is that clear? Now we have to find out the sum of the ratio now. So sum of the ratio is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 1, which is equal to what? It is 10. Is that clear now? It is 10. Now what will be the profit share of Srikanth? Now we can find out the profit share of Srikanth. Therefore, profit share of Srikanth is equal to, so yes, Srikanth ko equivalent number kati cha 4. 4 divided by, what is the sum of the ratio? It is 10 into rupees. Total profit was, at the end of the year, it is 39,150. So 1010 gets cancelled, is equal to rupees. Now multiply by 4. 4 5s are 20, 0, 2, 4 1s are 4, plus 2 is 6, 4 9s are 36, 3 rayo, and 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. This is your one of the answers, that is profit share of whom? This is profit share of Srikanth. Next, profit share of Soifuddin. Profit share of Soifuddin is equal to, Soifuddin ko equivalent number kati is beach ma 5. So this is 5 divided by 10 into rupees 39,150. This 0 gets cancels, right? So which is equal to, now you can multiply them, which is equal to rupees. Now multiply it. 5 5s are 25, 5 2, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 9s are 45, 5 4, 5 3s are 14 plus 5 3s are 14 plus 4 is 18. Let us check it once again. 5 5s are 25, 5 2, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 9s are 45, 5 4, 5 3s are 15 plus 4 is, this is your 19. Is that clear? 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 9s are 45, 4, 5 3s are 15 plus 4 is 19. That is rupees 19,575. This is profit share of Soifuddin. Now, profit share of Peter is equal to, here profit Peter ko equivalent number kati 1 is there, divided by sum of the ratio is 10 into rupees 39,150. Now here 0 gets cancels, which is equal to rupees 3915 only. Okay, so this is profit share of Peter. So these are the answer. So what is the profit share of Srikanth? It is 15,660. What is profit share of Soifuddin? It is 90,575. And what is the profit share of Peter? It is 3,915. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. We'll do the next question now. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 12. Arun and Ajay started a business jointly by investing rupees 24,000 and rupees 30,000 respectively at the beginning of the year. वर्षको सुरुमा Arun and Ajay ले एउटा partnership business खोलेछ. By investing, that is Arun invested rupees 24,000 and Ajay invested rupees 30,000 at the beginning of the year. At the beginning of the year भनेको January को सुरुमा Arun invested rupees 24,000 and Ajay invested rupees 30,000 to run a partnership business. Okay, is that clear now? So, but after a few months, Arun invested rupees 12,000 more. यहाँ क्वेशनमा के भन्दैछ आफ्टर फ्यु मन्थ्स कति महिना पछाडी त्यो त भनेको छैन केही समय पछाडी चाहिँ Arun invested rupees 12,000 more in that business. So is that clear now? So after a year the profit was rupees 40,030. 40,030 चाहिँ के भएछ profit at the end of the year. December को अन्तमा चाहिँ profit कति भएछ rupees 40,030 चाहिँ profit भएछ. And Arun received a profit share of rupees 7,130. Arun ले चाहिँ profit share at the end of the year कति पाएछ rupees 7,130 पाएछ. So let us find after how many months did Arun invest money in that business. तो यो Arun ले यो rupees 12,000 अझै बेसी तिरेको थियो कति महिना पछाडी तिरेको थियो त्यो चाहिँ निकाल्नु पर्छ. त Arun ले जुन चाहिँ rupees 12,000 अझै बेसी इन्भेस्ट गरेको थियो त्यो चाहिँ कति महिना पछाडी इन्भेस्ट गरेको थियो यो चाहिँ तिमीले निकाल्नु पर्छ. The question बुझेन सबैले? So let's do this question now. So यहाँ के भन्दैछ Arun and Ajay started a business jointly by investing rupees 24,000 and 30,000 respectively. So after a few months Arun invested rupees 12,000 more. त कति महिना पछाडी चाहिँ Arun ले 12,000 इन्भेस्ट गरेको थियो त्यो चाहिँ निकाल्नु पर्छ. त यहाँ सपोज गरौँ let Arun invested rupees 12,000 more after X months. हामीले के सपोज गर्यौं X months सपोज गर्यौं. सपोज Arun ले चाहिँ 12,000 अझै बेसी राखेको थियो कति महिना पछाडी X months पछाडी राखेको थियो भनेर हामीले सपोज गर्यौं. ठीक छ. So now अब हामी क्यापिटल अफ Arun र क्यापिटल अफ Ajay निकाल्छौं. अजयले त के पनि गरेन अजयको चाहिँ यो 30,000 नै होल इयर को लागि फिक्स बस्यो तर Arun को चाहिँ फिक्स बसेन 24,000 X months को लागि चाहिँ फिक्स बस्छ किनभने आफ्टर X months चाहिँ उले अझै रुपीस 12,000 अझै बेसी थप्छ आफ्टर X months भनेको चाहिँ 24,000 that is 24,000 Arun's को जुन चाहिँ capital यो 24,000 छ this 24,000 is kept fixed for how many months X months. So after that he invested rupees 12,000 more the 24,000 मा 12,000 अझै बेसी थपियो भनेपछि कति भयो 24,000 plus 12,000 कति भयो this is your 36,000 and this 36,000 is kept for fixed for how many months. त अझै त्यो जुन चाहिँ जोडियो 12,000 यो 24,000 मा चाहिँ त्यो चाहिँ कति महिनाको लागि चाहिँ राखियो त अब रिमेनिङ कति महिनाको लागि चाहिँ त्यो 24,000 plus 12,000 राखियो भन्दाखेरि आफ्टर X months त उले तिर्छ हैन आफ्टर X months भनेपछि 12 बाट X चाहिँ के गर्नु पर्यो माइनस गर्नु पर्यो. So 24,000 plus 12,000 that is 36,000 is kept for how many months? It is kept for 12 minus X months. Okay. So now capital of Arun. So let us find out capital of Arun is equal to rupees at the beginning of the year he has invested rupees 24,000. So I mean suppose after X months he invested rupees 12,000 more. So यो 24,000 चाहिँ X months को लागि फिक्स बस्यो बुझ्यो X months को लागि के भयो फिक्स बस्यो प्लस अब उले अझै 12,000 अझै बेसी तिर्दैछ that is 24,000 मा हामी कति एड गर्छौं प्लस 12,000 एड गर्छौं यो चाहिँ आफ्टर X months चाहिँ 24,000 फिक्स बस्यो त X months पछाडी नै उले 12,000 अझै बेसी तिर्यो त 24,000 त छदैछ त्यसमा हामी कति थाउजन्ड एड गर्छौं 12,000 एड गर्छौं. Now this summation this sum is kept for how many months? December सम्म कति भयो 12 महिना भयो 12 महिनामा त X months बिति गयो 12 महिनामा X months बित्यो भनेको रिमेनिङ months कति भयो 12 minus X कति भएछ यहाँ 12 minus X. Is that clear to all of you? So I think you have understood it. Let us simplify it now. Is equal to rupees this is your 24,000 X plus Now you can multiply, you can add them. So you can add it. This is your 36,000 into 12 minus x, bracket closed, right? So let us simplify it. Is equal to rupees, this is your 24,000 x. Let us simplify it. This is your 24,000 x, right? Plus 12 into 36,000, 12 zeros are 0, 12 zeros are 0, 12 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are there. 12 6 are 72, 7. 12 3s are 36. 36 plus 7 is 43. This is your 43. Minus how much is there now? So let us multiply it again. 12 zeros are 0. 12 zeros are 0. 12 zeros are 0. 12 6 are 72. 2 7. 12 3s are 36 plus 7. It is 43. Right? Then minus 36,000x. Then minus 36,000x. Is that clear to all of you? So we are multiplying 12 minus x by 36,000. We got this much, right? So which is equal to rupees? Now it is 432 and 000. Now minus 36,000 plus 24,000. You can subtract it because there are different sign. So it is minus 0 0 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. That is your 12,000. So you have to write x here. Is that clear? So this is capital of Arun. So how can you find out capital of Ajay? Now, at the beginning of the year, Ajay has invested rupees 30,000. And this 30,000 is kept fixed for how many months? 12 months. So capital of Ajay. So capital of Ajay is equal to rupees 30,000. 30,000. This is kept fixed for how many months? 12 months. Is equal to rupees. How much is it now? 12 3s are 36. How many zeros? There are 4 zeros. So I think you have understood it. Now let us find out the ratio now. So I think you have understood it. Now in this case, what is the total profit? Total profit at the end of the year was rupees 14,030. And by question, Arun's profit share is rupees 7,130. So you have to find out after how many months Arun invested rupees 12,000 more. So after how many months Arun invested rupees 12,000 more, you have to find out after how many months Arun invested rupees 12,000 more. Is that clear to all of you? So you can copy it. So now let us find out the ratio of their capitals. So let us find out ratio of their capitals now. So therefore ratio of capitals is equal to Arun is to Ajay, which is equal to Arun ko kati aeko थियो यहाँ? That is your rupees 432 and 000. 432 000 minus 12,000x. 12,000x is 2, right? It is rupees 432 000 minus 12,000x is to what? It is rupees 3 6 and how many zeros? 4 zeros. Here rupees gets cancels, right? So here can you take out common out here? You can take 1,000 as common here. So let us take 1,000 as common in between these two, right? So 1,000 is taken common. So what do we get? 432 minus this is your 12x is to 3 6 and how many zeros? 4 zeros. Is that clear now? So here you can cancel these 3 zeros and you can write here 432 minus 12x is to 360. So again, can you take out common here? So what is common out here? It is 12 So 12 is taken common within bracket. 12 3s are 36, right? What is 43 minus 36? 7. Is that clear? So it is 72. What is 12 3s are 36. 43 minus 36 is 7. So it is 72. 12 6 are 72 minus x is 2. This is 360. So you can cancel here. 12 1s are 12. 12 3s are 36, 0, right? So which is equal to 36 minus x is to 30. So this is the lowest form of the ratio. That is ratio of capitals Arun is to Ajoy, right? So now, what is the total profit here? What was the total profit here? The total profit was, what was the total profit? The total profit was 14030. Total profit is equal to rupees 40,030. It is 4030. Now this total profit 14030, isn't it? That is 14030. This profit is divided in the ratio of the capitals, right? So therefore rupees 14030 is divided in the ratio 36 minus x is to 30. Is that clear to all of you? Now let us divide the total profit in the ratio. So how can you find it? Let us find out the sum of the ratio now. So sum of the ratio is equal to, you can add this ratio, 36 minus x plus it is 30, which is equal to 66 minus x. This is your sum of the ratio. Now you can find out the profit share of Arun. Therefore profit share of Arun is equal to, how can you write it? यहाँ Arun को equivalent number कति आयो? 36 minus x. यो ratio मा Arun को equivalent number कति आएको छ? 36 minus x divided by, what is the sum of the ratio? That is 66 minus x into total profit. What was the total profit? It was 14030. Is that clear to all of you? So this is the profit share of whom? This is the profit share of Arun. Is that clear? But in the question it is given that profit share of Arun is equal to rupees 7130. But by question profit share of Arun is equal to rupees 7130. Is that clear? Profit share of Arun is equal to rupees 7130. So हामीले निकाल्यौं profit share of Arun is this much. तर question ले दिएको छ profit share of Arun is equal to rupees 7130. So both of these must be equal. यो दुईटा के हुनु पर्यो? Equal हुनु पर्यो. So therefore 36 minus x divided by 66 minus x into 14030 is equal to 7130. Is that clear? हामीले हिसाब गरेर निकाल्यौं profit share of Arun is this much. तर question ले कति दियो? 7130. भनेपछि दुईटा त equal हुनु पर्यो, हैन? So you can equate these two expression to get the value for x. So here you can cancel this 0 gets cancels. So you can cancel them. So what do we get? Now what do we get now? So or this is 36 minus x divided by 66 minus x is equal to 713 divided by 1403. Is that clear to all of you? So now let us simplify it. So over 713 र 1403 मा कतिले क्यान्सल हुन्छ? कतिले चाहिँ तिमीले यसलाई क्यान्सल गर्न सक्छौ? त के गर्नु भन्दा नि यो 713 र नि 1403 को GCM or HCF निकाल्नु. You know how to get the HCF of 713 and 1403, isn't it? So 713 र 1403 को HCF हामी डिभिजन मेथड युज गरेर पनि निकाल्न सक्छौं. बुझ्दैछ? So one time it is 713, it goes 0, 0, 10 minus 1 is 9, 13, 6, 713, so it is 1 time 690, so it is 3, it is 4, not 4, sorry, 3, it is 2, I think. Is it 2? Yes. 3 minus 0 is 3, 11 minus 9 is 2. ठिक छ? बुझ्यो? अब 23 ले 690 लाई कति टाइम्स जान्छ? 3 times, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, cross 0. You can write 0 here. त यसलाई कतिले जाने रहेछ? 23 ले मात्रै जान्छ. कतिले जाने रहेछ? 23 ले. बुझ्यो? त 23 ले कति जान्छ भन्दाखेरि 23 ले 713 लाई हामी डिभाइड गरौँ. कति भयो? 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 11 minus 9 is 2, 11 minus 9 is 2, this is 6 minus 6 is 0, 3. 23 ones are 23. भनेपछि कति भयो? 23 ले कति टाइम्स? 31 times, right? अब फेरि 23 ले 1403 लाई 23 ले 1403 लाई कति टाइम्स जान्छ? 5 6 7 6 6 3s are 18, 8, 1 6 2s are 12, plus 1 is 13, right? 2 23 6 23 ones are 23. That means 61 times. It goes 61 times. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Your rough mathematics देखाउनु पर्छ. So you can copy it. Now we'll simplify it to get the value for x, right? Now we will simplify here to get the value for x, right? So I'm rubbing it, this rough work. So let's simplify it now. Or 36 minus x divided by 66 minus x, which is equal to, this is 31 by 61. Let us multiply it. So, or multiply by 31 here. What is 66 into 31? 66 into 31. 6, 6, 3 6 are 18, 1 6 is 18, plus 1 is 19. 6, 14, 0, 2, 2046. That means it is 2046 minus 31x is equal to 36 into 61. 36 into 61. How much is it now? 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36, 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 6 9 2196. So it is 2196 minus 61x. Is that clear to all of you? So this is your rough work, right? So let us check it once again. 1 6 are 6, 1 6 are 6, 3 6 are 18, 8, 1 6 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19, 6, 14 4, 1 10, 0 1 2. Again 36 into 61. 6 ones are 6, 6 are 36. 3 ones are 3, 3 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 6 9 2196. Okay, so or now let us simplify it now. X, keep the terms containing x on the left hand side and other terms on the right hand side, right? So minus 31x plus 61x, which is equal to 2196 minus 2046. Okay, so you can subtract it. 1 minus 1 is 0, 6 minus 3 is 3x, which is equal to, you can subtract it now. 2196 minus 2046, 6 minus 6 is 0, then it is 6 minus 6 is 0, 9 minus 4 is 5, and then it is 1. Is that clear now? So 6 minus 6 is 0, 9 minus 4 is 5, 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0. That means it is 150, or x is equal to 150 divided by 30. 31s are 30, 35s are 150. So or x is equal to 5. So after how many months did Arun invest rupees 12,000 more? So Arun has invested rupees 12,000 more after 5 months. So this is the answer. Okay, so x was So after X months, Arun has invested rupees 12,000 more. हामीले यो X assume गरेको थियौं. X को value कति आयो 5. So after 5 months, Arun has invested rupees 12,000 more. So therefore, after 5 months, Arun has invested rupees 12,000 more. So this is your final answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. So this much is for today. त आज हामीले तीनटा प्रब्लम गर्यौं. तीनटा प्रब्लममा एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट हो. यो राम्रोसँग घरमा प्र्याक्टिस गर्नु. त यही तिमीको होमवर्क, यही प्र्याक्टिस गर्नु घरमा. बुझ्यौ? यही रिभिजनै हो तिमीको होमवर्क. ठीक छ? So in the next online class we'll do more problems on this partnership business.